So I found the bridge. This is the old wooden trestle bridge. So I want to show you what it looks like from underneath. So currently, this bridge is considered by the Grand River Heritage Society to be one of very few remaining wooden bridges built around 1900 in Ontario. And it's currently the subject of considerable debate between the city, the province, and the Guelph Hiking Trail Club, which put in a proposal to restore it, which would be absolutely amazing. It would link in a beautiful way, sort of, if you could ignore the animal murdering factory in the background. Anyway, it's an original timber bridge, and there's currently proposal to demolish it or to restore it. And as of today, I'm not sure which proposal has won the day, but I'm hoping they will restore this. It will link the two sides of the trail across the Aramosa River between Stone Road and Victoria Road.